Hello there, welcome back to Doodle Rust Designs, your one-stop shop for all your character design, illustration and doodle needs. 3 weeks into my YouTube journey, I'd like to thank all of you that are returning for more and have subscribed. If not, why not? You know you want to. A like and a subscribe really helps the channel and for me to keep doodling. It's been a massive learning curve so far, drawing under the camera, knowing when to speed up, not going outside the frame, and finding ways to stop the camera from auto-focusing. And those pesky thumbnails. They're taking longer to edit them sometimes than to draw them. This is the first of 3 videos I'll be posting, taking you through a rough sketch, a pen clean-up, and a colour of Nan and Sid. They will finally become an edited scene, combining all 3. My plan for the Milton series is to have a 3 to 4 scene joke structure. The setup for context, the build with detail, engaging the audience, and finally the punchline. Sid is actually pulling on the tongue of a seagull here, although it does look like he's feeding him a chip. When designing any characters, you have to consider what I call the 3 Ps: proportion, posing, and personality. I will also be posting some separate videos as part of a how-to series looking at the principles of character design. After I've loosely used basic shapes to construct my characters and posed them for the scene, the clean-up starts, deciding what lines stay and where to make final changes. If you intend to draw a character multiple times, say for an animation or a comic, it's important to keep a clear design language, consistent line quality, the 3 spikes for her fringe and sideburn, the 2 wrinkles under the eyes, and those horrible puckered lips. At times, though, I may well change certain elements of Nan and Sid for comedy value, change their clothes, maybe more detail regarding her array of exotic tattoos. You've seen me colour Nan previously, so I'll jump cut here to show the final stages of this scene, called gobbing at pigeons. If you're not British, then gobbing is slang for spitting. One of Nan's many disgusting habits, and a true link to her punky past. To help consistency, I'm keeping a record of all my colours, here new ones for the brick walls and the pavements to be used in BGs. Here I'm just layering down some more of the alcohol markers to add some shadow and depth to the piece. As one of my favourite musical interludes plays in the background, I just remind you, if you'd like to see more, do please like, share, comment and subscribe. And then here just the final touches of the pale blue pavement to add as a nice cool complementary to the orange background bricks. And there you have it, Nan and Sid gobbing at pigeons.